This is a teacher's guide for pixie dust. Notice you have to play this sneakily, so it's going to sound like you're just tiptoeing on the keys. And it is played with that lava key technique, where you pluck the keys. Hold on. Lava keys, and then there's a new concept. So we're doing those lava key staccatos. Now look down at the very, very last note of the song. It has a staccato and a little sideways V underneath it. When you have that sideways V either above or below the note, same where a staccato would be, it means to push that note harder. It's an accented note. So that one's going to be a loud staccato. Okay? Not the measure before that has a regular staccato. 1, 2, 3, accent. 2, 3. Got it? That's at the very end. So this has 4 counts in the measure. We have to do staccatos. The first line is fairly easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only when you come down here, make sure you start on your 4th finger, G. Skip over that to play B. And then C. Okay, then you do that again. Now the next measure is a little tricky. You have to hold down this left hand F, play at the same time, but the right hand plays staccato. See that? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get louder there, and now you get softer, diminuendo. And then a crescendo to the end where there's the big accent. Okay, 4 counts in the measure, staccatos with that lava key and the accent at the